माननीय डॉक्टर फौजिया खान जी, 3 मिनट।
The reply of the Home Minister in the Lok Sabha expresses an inclination to restore normalcy in the region, to provide justice to the displaced and deprived, and to deal effectively with the menace of militancy. Some militancy is that cancer that has constantly been eating away into the beauty, the splendor, the magnificence, the peace and happiness of our paradise on earth. Sir, history has given the world two formulae to deal with such situations. Number one, take up arms. And number two, to extend an arm. One formula was given by Hitler and the other was given by Mahatma Gandhi. So now we have to decide which of them is the more effective tool. Mahatma Gandhi's formula recommends winning the faith of people, to help, to assist, to nurture through love. To win the faith of people, you need to walk into their hearts. You need to understand their feelings, their sentiments, pains, problems, aspirations. For this, you have to listen to the voice of people. Sir Martin Luther King has said very well, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. So today, internet is vital for listening to the voice of people. Internet shutdowns shut down the voice of people. For normalcy to return, the government must acknowledge the importance of an open internet. When we talk about empathy and feeling the pain that people endure, what pain can be greater than a severe winter without electricity, especially in the rural heartland? So my last point, this area has seen massive political and communal conflict, the repercussions of which are still being felt across generations, not just by the displaced, and the deprived, but also by the rest of the population. It has left the region with a huge mental health burden, sir. The National Mental Health Survey conducted in 2015-16 showed probable depression 41%, probable anxiety 26%, probable PTSD 19%. Sir, Telemanas has been initiated in Kashmir, a provision of telepsychiatry services. Launched on 4th November 22, the center has so far received 4,000 calls. People with mental illness from every district are seeking professional help. So please give me just 1 minute.
Conclude, please.
Thus, it becomes extremely crucial to hear the plight of people and work according to their grievances. When we create hope and opportunity in the lives of others, we allow love, decency, and promise to triumph over cowardice and hate. Sir, this bill is about acknowledging the beating hearts of Jammu and Kashmir. Let us bridge the gap between promises and reality, as their dreams deserve to be nurtured, not neglected. So when we talk about GDP, let us talk about gross domestic happiness in the valley. I will end my speech with a couplet. गृह मंत्री जी ने कहा था कि वहाँ वो हर 3 महीने में जाते हैं सर और सिचुएशन को असेसमेंट करते हैं, और उन्होंने कहा था कि वो वहाँ हर चीज़ उनको सुखी समाधानी नजर आती है। तो सर मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि उनके देखे से आ जाती है जो मुंह पे रौनक, वो समझती है कि बीमार का हाल अच्छा है, तो कहीं बीमार का हाल वो अच्छा ना समझते हो।
धन्यवाद।
इतना कहती हूँ और जगह लेती हूँ। धन्यवाद।